I bet you'll miss at least one answer to this question. What is the value of a? Take 5 seconds and think. Ready? Most students immediately say, the answer is square root of 3. Sounds reasonable, but that's not the complete answer. Let's solve it step by step. First, we can read the equation as a cubed equals 3 times a. Next, move everything to the left side. Now we have a cubed minus 3 times a equals 0. Notice that both terms contain the letter a, so we take a as the common factor. This gives us a multiplied by the quantity a squared minus 3 equals 0. Now comes the most important rule. Whenever two numbers multiply together and the answer is 0, at least one of those numbers must be 0. So there are two possibilities. The first possibility is that a equals 0. The second possibility is that a squared minus 3 equals 0. Adding 3 to both sides gives a squared equals 3. Finally, taking the square root of both sides gives two values, positive square root of 3 and negative square root of 3. So the complete set of real answers is 0, positive square root of 3, and negative square root of 3. Now here's the mistake that catches almost everyone in exams. Many students divide both sides by a in the very first step because it looks faster. But if a itself is 0, then dividing by 0 is impossible. By doing that, you've accidentally thrown away one correct answer before finishing the problem. That's why shortcuts can sometimes lead to wrong answers. Now it's your turn. Check whether all three answers really satisfy the original equation and write verified in the comments if they do. And if this question fooled you, don't worry, it has fooled thousands of students. Follow for more maths puzzles that are simple to look at but tricky to solve.